Right now, it can feel like our country is more divided than ever. But in times like these, it's important to remember that one thing brings us together. We are one nation under God. Will we always agree? No. Will there be hardships and challenges among us? Yes. But these realities do not need to keep us from loving America and loving our neighbor. We must be united in our patriotism and our respect for our fellow citizens. Flying the American flag is one way to show support and honor and unity for the values we all share. This weekend, we're offering special discounts on our durable flagpoles, American made, and premium American flags and other patriotic items that give you options for displaying your patriotism. You can use discount code United We Stand. This is going to give you 10% off everything in your cart this weekend only. Our telescoping flagpoles, wall-mounted poles, eagle weather vanes, you name it, we've got it. Let's remind ourselves and our communities what it means to be one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.